Crafting an impressive conclusion for the GRE issue task. Hey there! Today, we're diving deep into the analytical writing section of the GRE, focusing on the issue task. One of the trickiest parts of this task? Writing a conclusion that leaves an impact. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to craft an impressive ending for your essay. Let's get started. The conclusion is more than just a wrap-up. It's your final chance to reinforce your main points, leave a lasting impression on your reader, provide closure to your arguments. A well-crafted conclusion ensures that the reader walks away understanding your perspective and the weight of your arguments. An effective conclusion should have the following components. 1. Restate your thesis. Reiterate your main argument in a fresh and concise manner. This shouldn't be a mere repetition but a refined statement based on the points you've made. 2. Summarize key points. Briefly revisit the main arguments or points you've made in the essay. This helps solidify your argument in the reader's mind. 3. End with a strong statement. Finish with a thought-provoking statement or a call to action that gives weight to your arguments. This should leave the reader pondering even after they've finished reading. Keep it concise. A conclusion should be impactful but not lengthy. Aim for clarity and brevity. Avoid introducing new ideas. Focus on consolidating what you've already said. Connect to the introduction. Drawing a link back to your introductory paragraph can provide a satisfying sense of closure. Use confident language. Avoid phrases like, I think, or, I believe. Stand firm in your arguments. Crafting the perfect conclusion might seem daunting, but with these guidelines, you're well on your way to finishing strong on the GRE issue task. Remember, the conclusion is your final word, so make it count. Hope you found this video insightful. Practice, refine, and keep writing. Good luck!